Waalaikumsalam. Oh, how are you, Kakak? Little bit good. Hey, what happened with you? Nothing. Are you mad at me? No, I'm not mad at you. What for I'm mad at you? I guess that you're lying. Go on, what happened? I'm not mad at you, but I'm just disappointed. You're disappointed with me? Yes, I'm disappointed with you, Caroline. What happened? Am I doing a mistake? A lot. What is that? I feel confused right now. First, you didn't remind me last night to pray Isha early. Secondly, you didn't remind me to sleep early. Thirdly, you don't wake me up, so I can't eat sahur. I guess that I make a lot of mistake. Sorry, Kakak. It's okay, Caroline. I'm sorry too. But please remind me, okay? Okay, I'll try the best. Yeah. So, anyway, Kakak, are you still home today? Yes, of course. Even I feel starving today, but I don't have any choice, right? Yes, you have to keep it. Allah said that He will give you heaven if you keep it. Oh, really? Yeah, so that's why. Don't give up. Yeah, okay, I will not give up, Caroline. You too. You shouldn't give up. Okay. Anyway, Caroline, what is our plan today? I mean, what kind of food that we want to eat for open fasting? I really want to eat mie ayam. Mie ayam? Yes, I like it. Oh, really? Okay, fine. I will invite you to go there together. Then we can eat together, of course. Yes, thank you, Kakak. You're welcome, Caroline. See you this afternoon. See ya.